The silhouette's burning.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I think the importance of sound to a video is more than 50%, especially for vloggers who shoot with mobile phones. This is the sound I recorded directly with my mobile phone, and this is the sound I recorded with a wireless microphone. You can feel the difference between the two, and I think it should be obvious. So, what I want to share with you today is the Maono T5 wireless lavalier microphone. Before we start the review, here, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Let's talk about the sound quality first. Maono Wave T5 delivers crisp, clean audio with a 48 kHz 24-bit resolution, an 80 decibel signal to noise ratio, and a maximum 120 decibel SPL mean everything from soft speech to louder scenes comes through clear and distortion free. Fine details stay intact without picking up too much background noise. Whether capturing quiet conversations or energetic performances, the audio holds up without needing heavy editing later. Every voice, every word, every moment recorded the way it should be. Background noise often ruins good recordings. Wave T5 solves that with its dedicated ENC chip. It separates voices from unwanted noises with precision. The noise cancellation system offers 3 easy modes or a deeper 14-level custom adjustment using the MAONO LINK application. Okay, let's go outdoor and let's check the noise cancellation performance. Maono Wave T5 wireless microphone noise cancellation test. Now I have deactivated noise cancellation. So can you hear the ambient noise? I'm actually sitting in a very crowded place. It's a very busy cafeteria, there are a lot of people around me. Okay, in this type of scenarios, I think you should use the noise cancellation. Now I'm using noise cancellation level 1. So can you listen to the ambient sound? How is the noise cancellation performance? How is the sound quality? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. Maono Wave T5 wireless microphone noise cancellation test level 2. So how's the sound quality? I think the ambient noise is gone because I am using level 2. If you want something better, if you go somewhere more crowded and more noisy, then you can use noise 3. Let's check that. Maono Wave T5 wireless microphone noise cancellation test. I'm using noise cancellation level 3. Actually, I'm sitting in a very crowded cafeteria. There are a lot of ambient noise. So how is the sound quality?
Silhouette's burning. Embers rise.
Okay, this Maono Wave T5 comes with a very special feature. On the microphone, there is this mute button. We can long press the mute button to remotely start recording without any help. That's a great feature, right? Yeah, we can do it all alone. Well, we have just talked about the mute button. Let's check the mute button feature. Hello.
Rising high like a chemical fire. The flame won't die.
Oh, I know you haven't heard anything because the mute button works perfectly well. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today we are testing this Maono Wave T5 wireless microphone. Okay, this one comes with very good noise cancellation. Now I am 50 meters away from the camera. Let's walk a bit behind, let's go a bit away, let's check how is the connectivity. Now I am 100 meters away from the camera and it's very windy. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a bit cold. So how's the sound quality? I have activated noise cancellation. There are 3 different levels of noise cancellation. Let's check the sound quality. I'm 150 meters away from the camera. Is it clear? Clear enough? Okay. Oh, really? It's very windy. So, how's the noise cancellation? And there are a lot of birds chirping. Wow. Okay, let's check. I'm walking far away from the camera. We have merged it earlier. Now I am 200 meters away from the camera. Most of the wireless microphones will lose connection at this point. But how about this Maono Wave T5? Is it doing better? I think the sound quality should be okay because we have already tested it many different times in many different scenarios. I'm even beyond 300 meters. Okay, how's the sound quality? How's noise cancellation performance? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the noise cancellation and let's check without noise cancellation and with noise cancellation. Now I have deactivated the noise cancellation and it's very windy. Most of the other microphones will definitely lose connection at this point. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna activate the noise cancellation now. Okay, now I have again activated noise cancellation. How's the performance? Well, let me run and test the noise cancellation. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm back to my mark, 50 meters mark. Well, how's the performance? You decide. I'm in love with this Maono Wave T5. I've been using this one as my primary microphone for the past couple of weeks. And I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. Okay, it's gonna get a 5-star rating. The distance test delivers stable wireless transmission at long range, up to 300 meters facing the camera, 40 meters when turned away, and 60 meters with a phone. A consistent signal ensures high quality audio. Wireless freedom replaces cables with flexibility and control. The MAONO LINK application brings extra control without extra complexity. Mute a transmitter remotely, adjust volume on the fly, or fine-tune noise cancellation in seconds. Mono or stereo channels are just a quick tap away. Voice filters inside the app shape tone from warm and rich to bright and crisp, depending on the scene. No need to fix things later in editing. The right sound can happen live. What's up, everybody? Today we are testing this Maono Wave T5 wireless microphone, one of the best in its price segment. This one offers very good value for money and performs the best. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Today we are talking about the Maono Wave T5 wireless microphone, one of the best in its price segment. This one offers very good value for money and comes with a lot of features. What's up, everybody? Today we are testing this Maono Wave T5 wireless microphone. This one offers very good value for money and it's one of the best in its price segment. It also comes with a lot of features. It's a feature-packed wireless microphone which comes with a very nice price tag. Clear menus and quick access keep everything moving fast when working on tight schedules or dynamic shoots. Maono Wave T5 fits into any setup without drama. The USB-C receiver handles new smartphones, tablets, and laptops. A Lightning receiver connects older iPhones. A 3.5mm jack works for cameras, computers, and audio recorders. Switching between gears takes just seconds. No apps to install, no complicated pairing. Plug in, power up, and the Maono T5 is ready to capture clean audio across any project. Okay, the design keeps things light and simple. At just 9 grams, the transmitter feels almost invisible when clipped on. Built tough for real world use, it stays out of the way while filming. The small, sturdy charging case fits easily into a pocket. Yeah, we are gonna talk about battery life, and long recording sessions are no problem here. Each transmitter runs up to 9 hours straight, with the charging case pushing total usage to around 30 hours. I also need to mention that the T5 supports full session recording, running steadily from the first frame to the final shot without interruption. That's all about the Maono Wave T5. For those seeking high quality audio and strong value, the T5 delivers with confidence. The performance stands out in every way. I have left a link in the description box for those who want to check it out. Go ahead, grab one for yourself. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.